Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing well today. In this video, we're looking into a topic that I know many of you find intriguing and vital: manifestation. Have you ever wondered if there are clear signs that show you're on the right path to successfully manifesting your desires? We're going to explore 7 key indicators that suggest you're not just moving in the right direction, but actually aligning perfectly with your intentions to manifest the life you aspire to. One of the most compelling signs that you are on the right path in your manifestation journey is experiencing a sudden surge of clarity and focus. When you start manifesting, it's like the fog lifts and suddenly you can see your goals with crystal clear vision. This isn't just about having a general idea of what you want, it's about knowing precisely what you need to do to get there and feeling driven to take those steps. This clarity often comes with a burst of motivation and energy, pushing you forward towards your goals with renewed vigor. Why does this happen? It's simple. Manifestation aligns your deepest desires with your conscious intentions, making your path forward seem obvious and your goals achievable. Think about it like tuning into a radio frequency. When you finally get the right station, the music comes through loud and clear without any static. That's what it's like when your focus aligns with your manifestations. Your actions and thoughts tune into a frequency that supports your goals. Alongside this newfound clarity, you might start noticing an increase in synchronicity. Synchronicities are those little coincidences that seem too pointed and relevant to your life to be mere chance. For example, you might think about an old friend and suddenly they call you out of the blue, or you stumble upon an opportunity that feels tailor-made for your skills and desires. These are not just happy accidents. In the realm of manifestation, synchronicities are considered winks from the universe, little signs that you are in flow with the cosmic forces and moving in the right direction. They are reminders that the universe is conspiring to help you succeed by aligning things in your favor. Paying attention to these signs can be incredibly affirming. They serve as reassurance that you should keep pursuing your path even when the going gets tough, because the universe is supporting your journey. By recognizing and understanding these signs, your sudden clarity, and the meaningful coincidences that seem to guide you, you can gauge how well you are aligning with your intentions to manifest your desires. Each sign is a piece of evidence that your efforts are paying off, and you are indeed on the path to manifesting not just what you want, but what you truly need. While we move forward, remember that these signs are not just random, they are responses to your energy and focus. By maintaining a clear vision of what you want and staying open to the opportunities the universe throws your way, you continue to foster an environment ripe for manifestation. Stay focused as we look into the other signs that show you're aligned with your desires and on the right track to bringing your dreams into reality. Sometimes the universe sends signals in the form of people, those who inspire, motivate, or somehow provide the push you need exactly when you need it. It might seem coincidental, but meeting these individuals often comes at a pivotal moment in your life. These people often bring with them a sense of rejuvenation. They light up your path and make your goals seem more attainable. What's truly fascinating is that these encounters happen when you are most open and aligned with your intentions. It's not just about the people you meet who directly influence your path by offering opportunities, guidance, or support. It's also about those who indirectly cause you to reaffirm your commitment to your goals through their own stories or achievements. They reflect the potential that lies within you, reinforcing your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Recognizing these encounters as signs can significantly bolster your confidence and reaffirm your direction. Following these encounters, a notable shift usually occurs. Your attitude begins to change. This isn't a mere adjustment, it's a profound transformation where negativity slowly gets replaced by a hopeful and positive outlook. This change is crucial as it directly impacts your ability to manifest. Positivity increases your vibrational frequency, attracting more positivity into your life. Think about this as cleaning house. By removing doubts and fears, you make space for optimism and confidence. This renewed attitude helps sustain the manifestation process. When you expect good things to happen, you're more likely to take actions that lead to positive outcomes. It's a virtuous cycle. The more positive you feel, the more positive situations you attract, and this further enhances your belief in the power of manifestation. This change in attitude is a clear sign that you are aligning with the energies of the universe in such a way that it amplifies your ability to attract what you seek. It's a testament to the power of your thoughts and feelings in shaping your reality. When you notice this shift, take it as a definitive sign that you are on the right path. By understanding these signs, meeting inspirational people, and experiencing a positive shift in your attitude, you can better navigate your path towards successful manifestation. These indicators are not just markers of progress, they are also sources of motivation to keep you moving forward, affirming that the universe is indeed responding to your desires and efforts. When you find yourself on the right path, obstacles that previously blocked your way begin to dissolve. This doesn't mean challenges vanish magically, rather, they become less intimidating and more manageable. This is a sign that you're in harmony with the universe and your focused energy is breaking down barriers. The path to achieving your dreams becomes clearer, not because the obstacles themselves have changed, but because your ability to handle them has improved. This phenomenon occurs because manifestation aligns your internal energy with external possibilities. When you're aligned, you're in a better position to navigate through or around the challenges you face. You might find new solutions, or you might gain new strengths. Either way, your obstacles no longer hold the same power over you. This ease in overcoming hurdles is a powerful affirmation from the universe that you are heading in the right direction. Another sign that you're on the correct path in your manifestation journey is when you begin receiving gifts or unexpected help. These aren't always material gifts, they could also be opportunities or bits of knowledge that propel you forward. Sometimes it's as if the right resources find their way to you without you having to look too hard. This kind of support can come from various sources. Perhaps a friend offers you a book that answers the questions you've been pondering, or a chance encounter provides you with the perfect advice. These gifts are often tailored to what you need most at that moment, helping you to advance towards your goals with greater ease. They serve as reminders that the universe is listening to your desires and actively contributing to your journey. When you start noticing these kinds of support coming your way, take it as a clear indicator that your manifestations are gaining momentum. It's a sign that your vibrations are matching with what you seek, drawing these positive experiences into your life. It's important to remain open to receiving these gifts, as acknowledging and accepting them reinforces your belief in the manifestation process and continues to attract more positivity. These signs, from the dissolving of obstacles to receiving unexpected gifts, highlight the dynamic and responsive nature of the universe to your intentions. They show that your efforts are not in isolation but are supported by the energies around you. Now we'll look into the other signs that not only reassure but also empower you in your journey of manifestation. A significant sign that you're progressing well on your manifestation path is the improvement in your overall health and vitality. When you're aligned with your intentions and living in harmony with your goals, it often manifests physically. You might notice that you feel more energetic, that you're sleeping better, or that you have a newfound zest for daily activities. This boost in health and vitality comes from a place of reduced stress and increased happiness. When you're less worried and more in tune with your life's purpose, your body responds. stress hormones decrease and wellness increases, providing you with the physical stamina needed to pursue your goals. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about being in a state that supports your aspirations. When your body feels better, you can focus more on what you want to achieve, and every action becomes more effective. While we wrap up our exploration of the signs that you are on the right path for manifestation, it's clear that these indicators are not just checkpoints, but reflections of your deep alignment with your desires and the universe's rhythms. From the inner peace that steadies your spirit to the external validation that boosts your motivation, each sign is a piece in the larger puzzle of your life's purpose. Recognizing these signs is not the end of your journey, but a part of your ongoing process of growth and realization. If you found value in today's discussion and feel more confident in identifying the signs that you're on the right track with your manifestation efforts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos and join us as we discover more ways to transform our lives and manifest our deepest desires. Thank you for watching, and keep manifesting your dreams into reality.